Erin here with Erin Makes, and today we are going to be making some stickers using the Cricut Joy Xtra. We're going to emulate this design and we're going to be putting them on some other candles. This is for a upcoming birthday party, and I've already started this in Procreate on my iPad, so we'll go there first. This is what we have so far, and the only thing with this design is it's for a birthday, but I have not actually sized it out, so we're going to do that right now. We measure the real version for how big we want this, which is going to be 1.25 inches by 1 inch and like 4/9-ish. Okay, now we are done with that, so we can just go ahead and export it, and we'll do that as a PNG over to Design Space. And oh my gosh, so many ads. Okay, so I don't know which side of the printer is the top or the bottom, so I'm just gonna write that on this paper, and then we're gonna see if we can figure that out. Kidding, that piece of paper was way too big for my printer, so I'm gonna open up this new thing of paper. I have this little slice tool I love using. This is what I use to open all the mail. Let's try that again. Okay, we're gonna sacrifice this piece of paper, top and bottom. Okay, put that in. Okay, now let's try the make button. We're gonna save it and say birthday. And we'll just save it to the iPad. Okay, print and then basic cut. Yes, we're gonna hit next. And hopefully it finds our printer. Come on. Maybe I should turn the printer on. Okay, it actually wants me to do a test print because this is a brand new printer, so I guess we're gonna sacrifice that piece of paper twice. Look at how fun these lights are though. Are we having a party? Actually, I think the joke is on me. I think it wanted me to plug the Joy in, so let's do that. I have this little magnetic mat here. Boom. Okay, it's finally printing something, and I think it's the test print, so let's see. Okay, first off, stunning. 2, it prints on the bottom, so that's really, really good to know. Okay, it wants me to set the material, and we have 176 grams per square meter, which is apparently a heavier cardstock. But let's go to all materials and let's see if we can find something. Oh, here we go, value. That's us. Okay, cool. It printed our design. Not blurry, kind of it is. Okay, hold on. We're gonna roll with this. So I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll try. We've decided to yellow it. We're just gonna put the width in here and see if that kind of works a little bit better for clarity's sake. And then we're just gonna do duplicate and make a bunch of stickers. Okay, we're ready to go. So first things first, we have our mat. And I think this is our sticker paper, but it's actually not labeled, so we're gonna find out. So I'm not sure if it's gonna come out on the top or the bottom, but we'll see. Look at that. On the opposite side that it just printed on. That makes perfect sense. Now we're gonna try it correct way, upside down, and hopefully this prints on the right side. Okay, I should really put up the counter there. Okay. We have them printed. They look pretty cute. They're like a little bit smaller, but I actually think that's perfect. So we're gonna stick with that. I have some of these self-seal laminating sheets, so we should be able to put one of these over the stickers so that they're laminated. So I've heard that try to laminate over some of the black lines, then it won't actually cut properly. And so to avoid that, I'm actually just gonna cut this piece to be the right size first. And we'll just avoid that problem altogether. Keep getting ink all over my fingers, so that's a great bonus. We're kind of just free-handing it here, but I think we have it right inside. Yes, okay. And then I believe we tear this, do that. Oh, shoot. We're just gonna roll with it. We're just gonna roll with it. Okay, then we need to get our Cricut thing. Can you guys tell that I am new to this? And we're gonna kind of like tear, and I know this is like, you should kind of slowly bubble this, but honestly, I think it's gonna be so good that It'll be fine. Stick, I guess. Looks like a sticker to me, so. Okay, we are going to put this onto our mat. That probably should be a bit cleaner than it is, but you know what? It's okay. That looks so good. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna load it into the Cricut. And we're gonna hit go. It's definitely cutting. I did leave my sticker edges a little rough, so it's not cutting evenly, but you know what? You live and you learn, so that's okay. We're gonna let her cook. Okay, she's on the last row. I think it's working though. Moment of truth. Her tail's ready. Hit that. It's gonna unload it. Let's take a look. They look pretty good. This thing. But oh my gosh. So first attempt, original hours. Could definitely be, it could be a little bit larger and a lot less blurry. So we might redo these, but I think this was a great first attempt. I'm gonna go work on redoing that design in a bigger format and then maybe shrinking it down afterwards for the print. I am worried that it's so small that it's never gonna be as clear, but we'll at least try. So, I mean, oh my God, look at the remnants of a failure. It's okay, that's how we learn. Redid the design and we're printing it, but we have a little party going on outside. Let's check it out. Okay, so they're definitely better and more clear. The center looks better, but I think we could still make the edges a bit bigger, but otherwise this would work. So okay, attempts 1, 2, here we go with 3, and I have this kind of dirty piece of paper, so let's see if we can get it to work. Okay, yes, these are better. They're nice and thick, and I think we're good to go. So we're gonna laminate and pick our thing. We should probably bookmark. Okay, our originals and then our final. It's a new day and we are opening up some packages that'll help us finish off this project. I think you know what these are. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. They're perfect. That's awesome. These are perfect. They're gonna be so great. Okay, there's a bunch of different smells. And we have our stickers now, so we can actually put them on. We are gonna see how hard it is to take off the current stickers and put our new stickers on. I'd rather do that than put the stickers over each other. Okay, so we'll start with this little strawberry candle here. Now I know we could probably like get these wet and do like a whole soap thing, but I'm really not in the mood to do that. So let's try this first. It seems to be coming off decently well, actually. Okay, moment of truth. I'll stick it on. gosh. Guys, we did it. I'm really happy with how these turned out. We're going to be building the matchbooks next for these, so stay tuned for that. But I'm going to do the rest of these right now, and they'll be good to go for the party. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more.